Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to unbox this brand new Frigidaire 1.25 horsepower food waste disposer. We just got our hands on it, so let's see what's inside. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit partselect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So here it is, brand new. Let's get into the box and see what we got. So right off the top, we've got the use and care manual. This is actually your installation manual as well. Got some shipping material. Here we have the bag that has the mounting bracket for the drain pipe that connects to your house plumbing, as well as the stopper and fitting for what goes into your sink. As well, comes with the tailpipe, or it goes into the side of your disposer and makes that connection to your house plumbing. Now we got the bad boy himself out. This is the 1.25 horsepower unit. It's about midway in the Frigidaire lineup. It's about 14 pounds. It's a corded model. There are a version that they sell that's hardwired in, like your dishwasher would be. And in those situations, if you're comfortable doing it, there's instructions in the book on how to do it, or else if you need to, you can have an electrician come in and do it. One of the things I like with Frigidaire on this model, it has a 12-year warranty. That's pretty good. And it already has the flange on it that will be mounting to your sink, so the whole unit can easily become a quick disconnect. And as well in the box is this, which is the magnetic collar that will get installed around the flange once we're done. And this is what's used in order to capture anything that may be going down into the sink by mistake that's metallic. So hopefully that'll catch it, pull it off to the side, and keep it from getting down into the blades. So that's everything that's in the box of this 1.25 horsepower Frigidaire food waste disposer. So if you're thinking about installing a food waste disposer, check out our next video and we'll show you step by step exactly how to do it.